How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Hope everybody had a good Christmas and Happy New Year. Today on the docket, I've got a box of 2018 Optic football. I have opened up one box of this off camera. Did pretty well. Hit a redemption auto. My buddy also opened one off camera with me, and he pulled probably the best hit that you probably could get. It was a Saquon RPA redemption. So we both got redemptions. He got the better of the two. In this box, I'm really just hoping to get an on-card auto. Some nice rookie cards would obviously be ideal, but we'll see what we can do. I'm not expecting too much out of this box since the Saquon has already been pulled, but you never know. One of my favorite products of the year. These chrome cards are just awesome. $20 cards, 4 cards per pack. These are around 100 to 110 a box. So if you're looking to get a box for yourself, all right, let's go. Here's what the cards look like this year. Nice shine on them. Got an orange of Famous Jameis. These are to, I believe, $2.99. Sorry, $1.99. Orange. And a Marcus Davenport rookie. Seen some slick inserts pulled, like the downtown inserts. A couple other nice looking parallel inserts as well. Got a Quentin Nelson hollow rookie. And a rated rookie of Dante Pettis. Robbie Anderson, Patrick Mahomes. These cards are like all dirty. What's going on up here in the corner? You guys can see that? I feel like that one's that way too, a little bit up in here. That's weird. Justin Jackson. That's really badly cut too. It's pretty fat on the top and pretty skinny on the bottom. And dirty, but hopefully the rest of the packs aren't that way. Oh, we got a nice parallel here. It's gonna be explosive Gronk and a Denzel Ward rookie. These are not numbered, but they are very cool looking. Got an Elite Series, I think, of Jameis. Tom Brady base as well. And a Jordan Wilkins rookie. See, that one's also got that going on. What's going on up here with these cards? That's weird. I don't think that's normal. It's kind of odd. I don't know, maybe it is, because that Bortles looks kind of dark up here too. I don't know what's going on. I guess I just haven't noticed it on the other cards. Matt Ryan, Joe Mixon, got another orange of Daron Payne, and a rated rookie of Kiki. Nothing too spectacular so far. Khalil Mack, Carr, got a red Khalil Mack, that's not bad. It's a beast. Those are numbered to 99. And then a Josh Allen rated rookie. Emmanuel Sanders. We got a black. Ooh, this is nice. I don't know what these are called. Black Laser or something. And it's a rookie. DJ Moore. That's not bad. It's a nice looking card. These I think are numbered to 25. Yeah, 1 of 25. The old eBay 1 of 1. It's off center on the back, so it's probably not going to get graded, but it's a nice card though, for sure. Black Velocity, I think is what they're called, now that I think about it. Nice cards. And then a Ronald Jones rated rookie. So I would say that's probably our best card of the box so far. Elite Series rookies, Mason Rudolph and EQ. Got a red Malik Jefferson rookie. It's not bad. $2.99. And Marquez Valdez-Scantling rookie. Got a downtown insert. See, I thought those were case hits, but they're clearly not because I pulled one in my box last time, so hopefully it's a good one. Ronald Jones, not the downtown insert you're looking for. I'm surprised he's even in that set. That's kind of weird. I figured it was all like big names and the big time rookies, but it's a nice looking card though for sure. Got a Jimmy G. That's like a throwback or tribute card. It's a nice looking card. Donruss Tribute from 1998. Anthony Miller, rated rookie. Hollow of Cameron Wake and a Simmie Cobbs Jr. I have opened almost two full boxes and have not pulled a hollow rated rookie yet. Kind of seems weird to me, but Keenan Allen, McCaffrey, rated rookie of Jaleel Scott. Landon Collins, Jared Goff, Leonard Williams, Quentin Nelson. 2 straight packs of all base. Here's a light blue aqua of LaShawn McCoy. Mariota and Todd Gurley as well. These are numbered to $2.99. Alright, 4 packs left. Should have an auto in it still. So Dalvin Cook, a rated rookie, green. Are those to 5? I think those are to 5, aren't they? Green ones? That is 2 of 5. Not bad. Dallas Goedert, or Goddard, however you say it. That green goes well with that jersey, too. That's a nice card. 2 of 5. And a DJ Moore rated rookie. 3 packs left. Matthew Stafford. Larry Fitzgerald hollow. Nice. I did the same thing in my last box. I got down to like the very last pack before I pulled the auto. I was getting kind of nervous, and I am now too, but I'm sure that there is one in here. Okay, 3 cards. Andy Dalton, Marshawn Lynch, and Alex Mago. Okay, see, now I am kind of nervous because that only had 3 cards. So there better be an auto in here, or Panini's getting an email. Wow, I got gypped an auto, guys. That's awesome. Golden Tate, Earl Thomas, Ronald Jones. There's my holo in my last pack, and Chase Edmonds. So yeah, no auto in the box. That's sick. We did pull a Dallas Goddard rated rookie green, numbered to 5. That's pretty cool. It's probably our best card in the break, as well as that Black Velocity of DJ Moore to 25. So yeah, no auto. You'd be thinking I'd be opening a retail box with that, but I'm sure if it was retail, I'd get points. So anyway, guys, hope you guys are having a good start to your new year. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.